Welcome to this week's walk. I'm at the Sawmill Creek pathway. This pathway goes all the way south from Blossom Park to all the way north to Billings Bridge. It also connects the South Keys Shopping Center. Creek Pathway is an 11-kilometer tributary to the Rideau River, beginning at the wetlands near Blossom Park and flowing north through South Keys, McCarthy Woods, and Riverside Park before reaching its destination at Billings Bridge. This watershed mixes multiple environments. Around 28% remains in natural condition, 16% is moderately altered, and over half, 56%, has been highly modified. So I'm walking along the pathway. I just have to show you this. Obviously I'm not going to go near it, but there's a snapping turtle nest. So they laid 20 to 45 eggs in June, and it's going to be hatching in late August or early September. How adorable is that? See you next week at Moody's Bay. Thank you so much, guys.